not what it seems when you can get all you wanted in your wildest dreams. You might run into trouble if you go to extremes, because everything is not what it seems. Hi guys, today we're going to be learning how to play the Wizards of Waverly Place theme song on ukulele. This is Everything Is Not What It Seems, and it's a super easy song to play. I think that y'all are really gonna like it. There are only 2 chords that you need to know, so let's go ahead and get right into those. The first chord is gonna be F minor. You're gonna put your pinky on the 1st string 3rd fret, your middle finger on the 2nd string 1st fret, and then your index finger on the top string 1st fret. Then the other chord is C major. Because you're going from the F minor to the C major, to get there, you can just take off these 2 fingers and leave your pinky where it's at, and that's how you're gonna play this song, transitioning between those 2 chords. That's all you have to do. It's literally the easiest thing ever. I will admit though that after a while it does hurt your pinky finger if you're not used to playing with it, but playing the chords themselves are pretty easy, and then going back and forth between them. F minor C is the progression for the entire song, so you just keep repeating that over and over. The first strumming pattern that I recommend is single down strums, so I'm gonna go ahead and count that out with the beats so you can see how long to stay on each chord for. Starting on the F minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... You would literally just play that over and over. Well, you know everything's gonna be a breeze. At the end will no doubt justify the means. You can fix any problem at the slightest of ease. Yes, please. Well, you might find out it'll go to your head when you write a report on a book you never read. And keep on going with it. The next strumming pattern that I like to use is gonna be down, mute, up, down, up. And you're gonna do a rest right after that mute. So down, mute, up, down, up. You're also gonna do that 1 time on each chord. So starting on the F minor, down, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, up. And how you do that muted strum is you just rest the side of your palm on the strings as you're strumming down, so it's not gonna sound the chord. If you find the mute to be a little bit too difficult, you can just replace it with a down strum. So it would sound like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. This is the strumming pattern that I use for the intro in the first part of the song, so I'm gonna sing through that so you can have an example to follow. Everything's gonna be a breeze. At the end will no doubt justify the means. You can fix any problem at the slightest of ease. Yes, please. Well, you might find out it'll go to your head when you write a report on a book you never read. With snappy fingers you can make your bed. That's what I said. For this next part, you can continue to use that same strumming pattern. However, I'm gonna suggest a different one if you want to switch things up. This one is gonna be down, mute, up, mute, up. And you're gonna do that 1 time on each chord. Going through that, down, mute, up, mute, up, down, mute, up, mute, up. And now with the lyrics. Everything is not what it seems when you can get all you wanted in your wildest dreams. You might run into trouble if you go to extremes, because everything is not what it seems. Everything is not what it seems when you can have what you want by the simplest of means. Be careful not to mess with the balance of things, because everything is not what it seems. For that last F minor chord, you can just strum it once and let it ring to end the song. And that is everything that you need to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked this tutorial. If you did, it'd be awesome if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I would love to have y'all back here for another lesson with me. I also have a playlist of all the ukulele tutorials that I've ever made, so feel free to go check that out and find another song that you want to learn. I hope y'all have a fantastic day. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your vegetables, and be a good person. I love y'all. Bye.